Yes, it starts from me.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah, yeah,
good.
yeah.
Yes, in the morning, this morning I get up at 6:30, and after that, I, I I have a bath, and then I prepare my son go to school, and after that, I have breakfast at 7:30, and after I had breakfast, I went to my workplace and do something that remain uh, that remain before I went to Siem Reap province. So until the 10 10:40, I, I I go to take my son from the school, and after that I cook the rice, and then I go to study Thai uh, I go to study Thai at 11 to 12. Yes. After I come back my Thai class, I have lunch at 12:30. After finish that, I prepare my son for his English study. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Until 2 p.m. I went to my workplace and do something that that remain from in the evening. Yes. And after that, until 4:30, I go to take my son from the school, and then I I go to play or to play football for 1 hour, and after that I come back and I check my English lesson and Thai lesson that I remain that I did not remind at the last time, and that I log in our class until now, sir.
Until now.
Yes, yes, I finish.
Yeah, okay, finish your activities.
Yes.
Okay,
Sure, sir.
next. Okay, next.